G'day slot car enthusiasts. So the car I reviewed the other day, Scalextric C3148 Dodge Charger RT purple, was actually purchased to get parts to fix 3 Dodge Chargers. So a General Lee and this car, and a car that I plan to do a video on later. So this car sat in a box of broken slot cars for quite a while. I originally purchased it to get some parts, the front bumper grille assembly and a rear bumper to repair a General Lee. So it had also had a really bad wiring loom just set up for analog. The digital plug ready section had been removed. So I've restored this back to digital plug ready, and all I needed from the C3148 for this car was the rear tail lights, and unfortunately the passenger side one there, that snapped when I was getting it out of the car. So that damage that you can see, that's been there since I bought it. The rear taillights had been glued in back to front. I don't know if that was deliberate or they just didn't realise they'd put them in, and so I needed to replace them. I replaced all the wires, the motor, put a front bumper grille assembly and rear bumper from a C3044 Dodge Charger, and that's a project car. So this car had no wipers when I bought it, and the ariel was busted off. So it sat in a box of broken slot cars for quite some time. I've fixed it up. The lights all work, front and rear tail lights, digital plug ready, sidewinder motor. So that's, you won't see another one of these. It's just a custom job I picked up on eBay. Somebody put a fair bit of work into it. And it's all complete and going again.